Another video here. Full zoom it. That way I can kind of, well, I better turn the volume down so the blow the eardrums off. Turn it down a little bit, see so I can hear myself think. Alright, let's full zoom it. See, we got some mud there. We're going around side by sides. Get around fast. Low bow, dirt harvest.
66 degrees outside.
Oh, I think I remember what happened there.
Inside this cab is warmer than
Got
that.
something in the sickle, so I had to stop and get it out. So just spin the mill. I'll turn this header so I can get it out. That's probably gonna have to put some fuel in the pump, see if fuel lightens are. I just heard the beaver go off. That means it's my grass is too wet. It's got some of it's going to be in. Shouldn't be, but enough of it does. And the wheat and the beans, I can tell they're not 100% ripe yet, so that's probably what it is too. Pretty clean along here with all the trees. Of course, I'm going pretty slow just to pay attention. Go over the limbs if I had to. Yeah, I think I backed right into the mud. Let me guess, you're gonna go right across the lane there onto the other field. Turn the separator off, leave the combine running, back in. Nice and steady. Just ain't a terrorist, don't need to jump it. Needs to be section 5. Cousins Field. Yeah, I see the combine. It's right over there where we're harvesting. Anytime we get a full bin, we gotta go across and fill it up over on the other side. That's just, it's just taking away so much time. with some tracks. Looks like I've already been off to the left there, around the big ditch. Mine really needs a 30-foot header, not a 25, but you have to take it off every time we remove fields. So we just bought a 25 because it's just easier. Trying to drive around, line up with the ditches here. One side of the header down to the ditch, follow it that way, you know, flex in something. Wide turns, set back up, go down the other side. Don't really know if you get any more first and brake or this way, but you definitely save your header. Makes it feel a lot better when you get all the beans off of it too. That's enough of a ditch there that unless you fall it like I am, you're not going to get everything. You're just going to tear up something. The header's got a lot of flex, but there ain't no reason pushing it. Spit stuff back out, bring her back in. That reverse sure is nice. I remember the L2s, F2s. You had to get up, dig it out, drop the bottom door, dig it out with your gloves or a hay hook. Never looking back after getting the reverser, I tell you, just stop, shut the separator off, hit the reverser, hit it again, it goes through. Tall as the other one, but they still did pretty good. And as many weeds to take over, still made fairly good production. None of our fields are irrigated, so we're not going to get the massive bushels per acre, but okay. Had an agronomist have us come out and check our fields and tell us what nutrients we needed the most. We could probably increase our yields a lot. And watch some other farm channels. They're putting manure out on their fields as well. I think that would help. Can't get much better than that, you know. Most likely that beep is telling me it's going past. I set it at the limit that they'll take it at the elevator. And if the thing is to see what happens is some of it's a little bit wet, some of it's just right, some of it's too dry. So it all mixes inside the bin, so it's okay. But if it was just beeping and stayed too wet, which is why I think we moved to this field, because the other one was just beeping and beeping. It was saying it was too wet, so we said we'll just let it dry out. Get it with that bright room and we'll go back. Field on an angle? I think I did. Yeah, I did. I planted it on the same angle as the tree row there. And I'm cutting it back and forth. It doesn't seem to matter. Not leaving anything. As I've stated, I'm still at this time most likely looking at the sides to see how the cut is. See if there's any beans. I'm always scanning the ground to see if there's beans. Then looking at the header, see if there's any beans. Real close. Set it all the way down, a couple bumps up, there you go. Mahalo Heights. I used to work on the combine, but it stopped working. And I'll probably look to the right just then to see if the moisture. Yeah, it ain't wobbling at all. Those are right. morning as I'm watching. I was driving the combine. It seems like if there's like really good crops, 25 is all you want to have. But if it's just like average stuff, you need a bigger header. But even if you have 30 footer or really big crops, just slow her down a little bit. But I don't think it's not gonna matter. You get 330 horsepower. It's gonna pull it through. It's a class 7 combine. It's got plenty of power. So yeah, 30 on there. It loaded up a lot better. Put a lot more stuff in the grain mill, a lot faster. I think if I can remember correctly, when we bought the combine, traded two combines in on it, and they didn't have a 30. They had a new 30, not a used. We had one paid new price. So bought this used one that had been rebuilt, so pretty good deal. Figured that'd be enough to start out with. If we ever wanted to get a bigger header, we could, but we haven't yet. But I mean, I guess in retrospect, the 25 it's plenty good enough to do the job. I mean, it's hard as it are being since we've gotten the combine and the header. So, but if you wanted to completely efficiently, I'll finish what I'm going to say. Load that combine up, you need a 30. But I guess for longevity, a 25 will keep it in the field without any really worries of overloading it a lot faster. Okay, next video.